Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. In this vlogs, we are going to talk about how to get a Saudi visa. There are three categories of visa. Visa for GCC countries, visa on arrival or e-visa, and the third one is consulate visa. First, we will talk about e-visa and visa on arrival category. Tell you which are the countries eligible for e-visa or visa on arrival. There are 49 countries which are eligible for e-visa or visa on arrival. If you can see the name here, if you can't find your name, no problem, there is another way to get a visa. But if your names are here, country names, you are eligible for e-visa. You are applying, your passport should be valid more than 6 months. Cost of e-visa is 535 Saudi Riyal. That includes the insurance also. A visa on arrival is 480 Riyal, which doesn't include the medical insurance. Payment of the visa can be made by any credit card. To get the e-visa, it takes 5 to 30 minutes only. Who cannot apply for the e-visa, there is nothing to worry about. They can apply through the consulate. People like me who cannot apply for e-visa, nothing to worry. I have a US visa, or anyone having a US visa, UK visa or valid Schengen visa. They can get visa on arrival. Only the terms and conditions are they should have used their visa once and they should need to choose the national carrier for the first time when they are coming to Saudi Arabia. People visit visa for Saudi Arabia is valid for 1 year and you can stay up to 90 days in Saudi Arabia. During your stay, if you are a Muslim, you can perform Umrah, but not Hajj. For Hajj, you have to take a Hajj visa. So by now, you are thinking how I can apply. For that, let me take to my laptop and I will show you step-by-step process how you can apply for e-visa. So friends, finally we are on our laptop. What next? We will type Saudi e-visa. So this is the first link. What you get, just click there. So you can click apply now. Select the passport type, select the country, click on next. You type your first name, last name, mobile number, email, hint question, take the question, answer it, and password, and put the captcha and click to register. Account activation link sent successfully to your email. So go to your email, whatever you have given the email address. So once you are at your email, click here. So log in with your email and click to login. Once you click to login, send a verification code that will go to your email. So now we will have to go back to our email again. So here we have our verification code. Submit it. Apply for individual, apply for group. I will click apply for individual. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? I will click no. So I will give my first name, father's name, last name. I will put it gender here, male, married, unmarried, whatever. Date of birth, country of birth, city of birth, profession, country, city, zip code and address. All the information you can get it from your passport. At this place we need to upload a picture. Go to your desktop or wherever you have any picture. Just select the picture and upload it. Make sure your picture size is as it is mentioned. So we will click next. So at this place we will mention the passport type. It is regular, passport number, passport issue city, issue date, expiry date, date of arrival, expected date of departure. You are coming for what? We will click this one. Do you have received visa on email other than the original email? You will click it no. Do you want to receive a visa phone number, the original phone? We will click no. Residence address in Saudi Arabia, commercial here, and we will type a hotel name and we will put their phone number and email and we will click next. After giving all the information, we will come to this page where we need to get all the insurance. There are the list of the companies from where we can buy the insurance. We will click now next. We will read all this carefully. Then I will click here. I have read and agreed all the above term and condition. I will click next. I have completed one mail, basic information, all these are given. I will click no. This all the details are here. After that, see the amount already showing. I will click here, agree and complete the payment. So I will agree and complete the payment. We will enter all the credit card details and we will click pay now. So once you are done with the payment, you will receive an email with the visa copy.